Okay guys, good morning. So we're about to do a deep steam extraction of this Toyota RAV4, the seats, right? It's a dark fabric. So take a look at this seat here so you can understand the condition of it. Right? So what we do, I'll show you the process so you can understand exactly what we do. Spray our upholstery cleaner. Right? We don't want to oversaturate it. Right? And then we're using our drill brush. We actually agitate. We're scrubbing like this. So what we're doing is actually lifting off the dirt and grime off the surface. Right? So this is what they call a surface clean. So we haven't started the deep cleaning process yet. So I'm just going to show you. I'm going to take a clean microfiber cloth. Right? So take a look. The condition of this seat, something that is really hide. The condition is really hide in dark fabrics. So I'm going to actually show you. I'm just going to take a pass here on it. And now you could take a look. That's the condition of this seat. So I'm going to take a clean side here now, and you're going to actually see again. See, that's the condition. Clean side here again. So this is what dark fabric does. It actually hides the dirtiness, right, of the seats, right? Lighter fabrics will actually show it up, but with dark fabrics, you don't actually see it. What happens? It tends to get dull. If it's black or dark gray, like this is dark gray, it gets a bit dull. It's not bright like how it used to when it was new. So after the deep steam extraction process, you're going to get back in that new car look. You're going to get back that new car look. So we're going to start the deep steam extraction process now. Roberto. Right? So let me just hand over the phone so you can actually take a first hand look exactly what is deep steam extraction. Right? So hold on. I will start the machine here now. Right, so now you can actually see a major difference from this side compared to this side. Now what we're doing is we're actually sucking out every single thing. The steam penetrates the fabric. With the heat and steam, what it does, in the same process, it kills bacteria and germs that probably live in the seats from food stuff that you may have eaten, soft drink, juice, whatever it is, snacks for the children. So this is what we do. We're sanitizing the entire seat while we do a deep steam extraction. So hold on, so we're going to continue again.